Here it is, it's nice and blue and looks awesome on the Quest 3. How to install that on your new Quest? It's right now. You just got your nice VR headset, the nice Quest 3 headset, but you don't like this color, the white basic color. You want to change that. What can you do? It's very easy. Just go on the Meta website and get those. The blue one, because you know, I don't like blue. So here we go. I wanted to get blue to change from the white. How to install those on the headset? Well, it's right now. But first, let's open the box and see how those look like right out of the box. That's how they arrive, of course, from the Meta website. And they have those classic seal, cardboard seal. You want to have that, or you want to see those to be sure you get a new set of facial interface and head strap, of course. And once you get those seal out, here we go. Now the box slide like so, and we can see already here the nice facial interface and the head strap in the back here. To access it, very easy, just follow the arrow. We open the box like so, and ta-da! There we go. On the side, we'll see that there are some instructions how to replace and install the new one, which is what I'm going to show you right now anyway. And there we have the facial interface, and on the side there are some user manual. I guess to install that you need some user manual. Little bit of waste of paper in my opinion, but I guess it's legal stuff. So they have to provide it in any case. Let's put it back here. Hop. So, here we go. All nice and blue, with the same soft cloth and foam system than the original MetaQuest 3 padding right there. So it's basically exactly the same except that it's blue. So same quality, same feeling, except the blue. It does also have this adjustable system on the side, here and here. So that's great. And let's see now about the strap. Here we have a pull tab, apparently. They like this cardboard stuff and pull tab and arrow and stuff like that. At least everything is recyclable, so that's great as well. You don't have any plastic that will pollute the planet. Cardboard, it's the way to go. And here we go, head strap, up with the side strap. There we go. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's go and install that on the headset, and I'm going to show you how. First, of course, we have to open the head strap and remove it. So just pull here slowly, and the head strap will just come toward you. And once you reach those little hook and loop, you just pull a little bit harder, and here we go, comes out right away. Now, for those band on the side there, those attachments, you have to start from here, this side. You push slightly here until you unclip the band here. Tack. That's it. Don't go crazy. Little pressure, like so. Do it again here. Just press here while you hold with your finger in the back here. Up. And that's all you need to remove those bands. And here we go, we just have the headset by itself. Now it's time for the delicate parts. The part that always scares me out, but it's actually really easy. It's to remove this plastic, and all you have to do is to pull it. There is no other way. You just pull it gently and it will just unclip from all this little clip located on the top and the bottom of the headset. So here we go. Here you have a better grip. Hold the headset with your left hand. Right hand, you pull gently. Here we go. Now let's do this side here. Up. Here. It's good. And now here. And there we go. It's just clips, so don't be afraid. It feels a little bit weird to do that. Look like you're going to destroy something on your brand new headset, but no, that's how it goes out. And now that you have your headset bare, just like that, just the device itself, it's a good time to do some cleanup of everything before you put the new face and headband in place. And if, like me, you are using those Zenny VR reading lenses, here that would be a great moment to install those on your VR headset, as you have easier access now to the lens with everything out. And now, time to install the facial interface back on your headset. So basically, reverse process. You just have to present the plastic, there we go, interface on your headset, and then you push until you hear click. There we go. Here, it's easier to put back than to remove. And here we go. Everything is in place. Everything is level. Double check everything, of course. It's secure, so it's in place. It looks already great as it is. Now we are going to install the side band here connector. And then we're going to do exactly the same procedure like before. So we are going to start by the same side. Here, we don't have to align the hole first. You start by here first. You clip this side, and then everything is going to clip nicely on the other side. There we go. All nice, clipped and secure. Now the left side. Hop, hop, same principle. We start from here. We clip here first. And then the area with the hole here. Just push and it's clipped. It's that easy. Checking that everything is secure. And now for the headpiece that I saw a lot of people having trouble with. It's actually easier than you think. You just put here this piece here under this black bar, and you are going to push with your thumb this area where you have this hook and loop. You're going to push it with your thumb. So for that, I'm going to hold the headset like so securely, have better grip like so, because you're going to push quite a bit forward. Here we go. And you will see it will just up, go. Block it with your finger, push it again, up, block it with your finger, push it again, and push it again, and here we go. Super easy. I saw some people putting a piece of tape there to pass the tape first and pulling it and everything. With this technique, push with your thumb, block the strap from going back, and then hop, you will be good to go in no time. And here it is, all nicely installed on the Quest 3 with the nice blue color. And of course, you can use the packaging of the blue face interface to store your original Quest 3 interface in case if you need it later. You never know. It's always good to keep it on the side. Something is broken. On the new one, you have a replacement one here for free. Hop, ta-da! There we go. Your old strap and your Quest 3 with the new one installed on. Looks awesome.